So now you're looking at, yeah, it might be initially starting with a general annoyance to a bed partner because you're snoring. But now it becomes your body systemically inflamed. It's affecting your mentation and how you think about things. You're starting to have struggles with word finding and your memory. Your blood sugars are starting to go out of control. Your high blood pressure, you've got erectile dysfunction, depression, anxiety, becomes insomnia. I mean, it's just this cascade of events that literally affects absolutely every function in your body.